Hey friends, working at the new house today, and as you can see, we've got an older shower here that we need to do some work on. Now, one of the quick things that we can do is actually swap out the shower head. There's a small little leak in the base area over here. You can see it's one of these extension shower heads. These are super easy to swap out. I'm gonna walk you through it today. So today we're gonna be installing this Besititli shower head. It's got 10 modes. It has all the parts you need, including the 62-inch hose. It actually comes with a loofah sponge too. It's got tape, gaskets, everything you need. A couple of really cool features about this. It's got this magnetic head that just snaps right on to make putting up your shower head really easy. Again, it has these 10 modes of spray. And then in this base here is a really nice filter, so you make sure you get decently clean water out of your shower head. All right, let's go ahead and set this up. Now, first thing we need to do is obviously remove the old one. This is usually a pretty easy process. To make things easy, I'm actually going to disconnect this hose down here. You can see I have some water trapped in there, so again, be careful, you might get just a little bit wet. That will actually allow us to remove this whole hose bit, and then we just have this little stem to work with. Now for this specific one, you can see I've got this little rotating bit up here. It's actually not on there very tight at all. I can actually finger screw this off. Yours may be a little bit tighter. You might need some pliers to pull it off. Again, I've got some water that was trapped in there, but what you should end up with is this little nose like this coming out of the wall. It may also be reversed where you have a longer piece coming out, but it's gonna look something like that. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of our plumber's tape here, and I'm just gonna wrap it this direction, again with the thread, so that it doesn't come unraveled when we tighten on our new shower head. I'm just gonna wrap it that direction a few times. All right, our plumber's tape is wrapped, and we're gonna grab this little attachment here. Again, this is the magnetic base. And basically you can just hand tighten it on. Okay, now that is finger tight. Again, just by rotating this. You can make it extra tight by grabbing some pliers. There's two flat sides right here, and you just rotate that. Again, you don't want to over rotate this. Again, we'll check for leaks, and if necessary, then we'll go in here and tighten this up just a little bit more. Okay, time to install the hose. You can see on the end there's these little white caps. They just twist in like that. So take those off of either end. You can see we have a little rubber washer in there, as well as two extras in case we need it. What's nice with these washers is that we don't need to use the plumber's tape. So we're gonna take one end of that hose, and this is just gonna go up onto this threaded area right here. Again, you can finger tight this in, and then we'll grab some pliers. I'm just gonna turn that, maybe half a turn, quarter turn, just so it's nice and tight. And again, we'll check for leaks there. Now, do take note, the one bad thing about using pliers is that you sometimes can get little scratches on the metal here. It's really not noticeable. You can see I did leave a couple of small scratches there. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the other end of the hose. Again, make sure we get our black washer. It did fall out, so I'm gonna have to put that black washer back in. Then we're gonna stick it onto this end of the shower head. This one you don't have to crank down because it is this plastic. Again, we'll hand tighten that and make sure there's no leaks. Okay, so let's test the first feature that I love about the shower head. Boom, the magnetic base to just slap it and hold it in there. And then this up top can actually be rotated around, can be rotated up or down, so you can really get a good shower position. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on and give it a test. I'm gonna flick this on like that. As you can see, immediately we're getting some really, really good spray out of this thing. It's got nice power, lots of good water flow right there, good flow rate. No leaks there, no leaks there, and no leaks there. That's what you want to check for. Obviously, we can see we can change some of these settings now by dialing in this little dial here. Just show you the various got a mister, looks like that's going to be kind of off there. All the way around, you can see those going. Whoa, ha, what is that? That was weird. So it looks like there's a sprayer up here as well, which is kind of interesting. Maybe that's used for like dog washes or something. I don't know, that was a little strange. But I wouldn't use that one at this level because it's gonna spray up onto my drywall on the ceiling. So be careful rotating all the way over to the right. It appears that up there is, again, what we're looking at So there you go, friends. That is the Besititli Shower Head. Cool little product, super easy to install. Has that one kind of weird feature as you twist over to the right that sprays out, but maybe that'll be good for some folks in some configurations. Yeah, it's got the filter, it's got the magnetic base. Definitely a thumbs up from us. I think it's gonna be nice. If you're interested in grabbing one of these for yourself, you can find it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. Stay tuned, we got a ton of these little product review videos, DIY install videos, things to make your life just a little bit easier. See you again on the next one.